Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the 2024 Hot Wheels Monster Trucks J case. So not too long ago we just unboxed the G case. I did not get the H case, but we have the J case here for Hot Wheels Monster Trucks line. So we're still waiting to see what case exactly the fan favorite Poison Pinto monster truck will be arriving in. But meanwhile, we have the J case here. I don't believe it's in this case, but we will open it up to make sure. And let's see what we got here. I think we got some pretty cool cars coming down the line here. All right, first out of the case, we have the Gunkster in the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Power Smashers kind of segment. So we had our first look at one of the Power Smashers in the G case that I unboxed just the other day. This is the J case, and it is number 3 of 7. So, and I want to send a quick shout out to Jcar Diecast. Thank you, Jcar Diecast, for supporting the Hot Wheels, for sending Hot Wheels, and for supporting the OrangeTruckDiecast.com site and the OTD YouTube channel you're watching here. So, another Power Smasher here. This is number 4 of 7. So we have 3 of 7 and 4 of 7. So I think we're missing 2 of 7, which was most likely in the H case. So I'll have to see what was in that one. But this is with the J case. We get the Bone Shaker coming back here with the like translucent red wheels. So that's pretty cool. We got the green wheels there and the red. So another take on the Bone Shaker monster truck. I know a few collectors out there collect not only every Bone Shaker out there, but also the Bone Shaker monster truck. A little lightning deco. So kind of cool Power Smashers there. Something different. Ooh, all right. New for 2024, we have the Snake Bite monster truck. So this is a new look for Snake Bite. We've seen this one in like a retro deco. We've seen it in a newer deco. This one, I assume, is just kind of a fantasy deco. Maybe it's one that we've seen. Maybe one that is actually races or crushes cars on tour, but not in the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks tour. I can tell you that. But Snakebite is kind of has its own brand along with Bigfoot. So that one is a new deco on that one. So if you're a Snakebite fan, you have one of those to add to your collection. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, so we have a new casting here, the Bash Zilla. At first, I thought this was actually Thanos, the character car, but this is a new casting called Bash Zilla, new for 2024. And so it's kind of like a face, right? Yeah, very Thanos character car-esque looking, but it's got like a mouthpiece made of tires. Oops, too close. Mouthpiece made of tires there, and like a huge turbine engine on the back. So that's pretty cool. Something different. Bash Zilla. I wonder if that's one of those cars like we'll see on tour or something like that. All right. Speaking of cars that are on the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks tour, the Tiger Shark Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live, still coming to your local arena. The Tiger Shark. So we've seen this one just about every year so far. All right. We got our second release of the Dodge Ram van. Look at this crazy deco here. I think I mentioned in the last Monster Trucks video that the Hot Wheels graphic design team is crushing the decos on these things. It's like a unicorn shooting lasers out of its eyes. Oh man, that's actually a cool deco. The only complaint about this is the orange frame on this and the yellow wheels kind of take away from the really awesome deco here. So this is the second release of the Dodge Ram van we've seen. I actually have the first release hanging up back here. If you remember, this is the first release. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks there. So this is kind of a Brendan Vitesky kind of brought this into the fold. He was on the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks line. I don't believe he's on the Monster Trucks line anymore, but he took the RLC Dodge van, the tradesman van, and kind of converted it into Hot Wheels Monster Trucks for Hot Wheels Monster Trucks usage. So a lot of similarities between those two castings. Very cool story there. All right, the Hummer returns, new for 2024. A new deco here. What is this, like an alien? No, it's just kind of like a neon green skull deco. Yeah, camouflage, but the old Humvee, right? The old Humvee casting. Oh, it's not the old one, but reminiscent of that one. Crash Legends. And last but not least, we have another one of those Beast Bashers. Hey, Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live. I wonder if this must be a car that is going to be on tour. I think I have this one. We have this one we've got this one in a previous case, but the Rhino Might. So, in the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live series. Very cool kind of matte kind of deco there. Flames in a mouth, yeah. So, 8 trucks in this case. The Rhino Might, the Hummer, the Dream Crusher Dodge Ram van. Stoked to add that one to the collection. The Tiger Shark, we've seen that one before. The Snake Bite. The new casting in the Bash Zilla. And then we got the 2 Power Smashers. The Bone Shaker and the Gangster. All right, so that concludes the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks J case unboxing. Make sure you check out Jcar Diecast again for your Hot Wheels Monster Trucks cases. Thank you again, Jcar Diecast, for sending this case over. Make sure you stay tuned to MonsterTruckDiecast.com and subscribe and set your alerts for the OTD YouTube channel here. And make sure you see the videos as they're coming out. Lots of videos coming up. Thank you for watching.